Everyone thinks the best-selling terrarium kits are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Cute Farms Terrarium Starter Kit. First up is the Cute Farms Terrarium Starter Kit, priced at just $24.95. This kit caught my attention with its comprehensive setup for beginners. If you want to create a unique terrarium experience with everything included, this is worth a serious look. This kit is designed for those who might feel overwhelmed by the idea of starting a terrarium. It includes preserved moss, potting soil blended with activated charcoal for drainage, and even miniature dinosaurs for a fun touch. The included instructions guide you step by step, making it easy for anyone to jump in. The fact that it's made in the USA adds a nice layer of trust, and the 4.5-star rating from over 1,400 reviews shows that many others have had great success with it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking to create a lively environment for small plants, this kit has all the essentials to get you going without the fuss. Now, some people complained about the need for a separate container, which can be a bit frustrating. Here's the thing though, for those who enjoy the creative process of choosing their own glass container, this isn't a deal breaker. Plus, it allows you to personalize your terrarium to fit your home decor. This is perfect for you if you're a complete beginner wanting to craft something beautiful without overwhelming yourself. Skip this one if you'd prefer a ready-made solution. For the price, it's a fantastic value with everything you need to get started. Now, if needing to provide your own container bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Large Glass Terrarium House Planter. Next up is the Large Glass Terrarium House Planter by YIMOrientCV, priced at $35.76. The unique house shape immediately caught my eye, and it's a solid choice for those wanting a stylish display. If you want a sturdy, attractive terrarium to showcase your plants, this is definitely worth considering. The reinforced glass not only makes it durable but also enhances visibility, turning your plant care into a decorative element of your home. It even has a swing lid for easy access and ventilation, which is essential for plant health. With a 4.6-star rating from nearly 900 reviews, it seems to resonate well with buyers. Here's why this matters for you. If you're looking for a terrarium that adds an aesthetic touch while being functional, this one fits the bill. However, some users mention that the lid can be a bit tricky to open. I'll be real with you, if you're someone who wants easy access to your plants regularly, this could be a slight annoyance. But for those who don't mind a little challenge, it's still a great option. This is perfect for you if you want an eye-catching piece for your desk or window. Skip this one if you need something that's super easy to access. The price point is reasonable for both the aesthetics and functionality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for creating your own ecosystem. Product number 3, DIY Terrarium Kit by PYEFCRAFTS. Third on the list is the DIY Terrarium Kit by PYEFCRAFTS, available for just $9.99. What I love about this kit is its affordability and versatility. If you're looking to create your own ecosystem without breaking the bank, this is a fantastic choice. The included instructions are simple and intuitive, making it perfect for beginners. You can use any container you have at home, which is a major plus if you want to mix and match styles. Rating at 4.3 stars from over 850 reviews, people appreciate the no-waste approach. Here's why this matters for you. If you're busy but still want to enjoy the process of planting, this kit offers flexibility with minimal commitment. Now, some customers pointed out that the kit doesn't come with a container or plants, which could be a letdown if you expected a complete package. Here's the thing though, this actually allows for more creativity since you can choose the exact look you want. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly way to get started with terrariums. Skip this if you're looking for everything to be included. For the price, you get a lot of bang for your buck. Now, if the lack of a container concerns you, wait until you hear about this next product that comes with its own unique features. Product number 4, TerraGreen Creations Succulent Planter Kit. Moving on, we have the Terra Green Creations Succulent Planter Kit priced at $19.95. This kit stood out to me because of its premium ingredients and thoughtful design. If you want high-quality materials and a straightforward setup, this kit is definitely worth a closer look. This kit includes bioactive soil, activated charcoal, and preserved moss, all made in the USA. The soil is packed with composted pine bark, providing the ideal nutrients for healthy plant growth. The attention to detail in this kit is impressive, as it's designed for both beginners and seasoned plant lovers alike. With a 4.5-star rating from 2,600 reviews, it's clear that many have found success with it. Here's why this matters for you. If you care about the health of your plants and want a straightforward experience, this kit has your back. However, some users mention that the kit can be a bit messy during setup. I get that, it can be frustrating. But for those willing to embrace a little dirt, the payoff is a thriving terrarium that looks great. This is perfect for you if you prioritize quality over convenience and are ready to get your hands dirty. Skip this one if you want a hassle-free experience. For the price, it's a solid investment in your plant journey. Now, if you're looking for something a bit different, the next product on my list might just surprise you. Product number 5. ZNWKONG Jumping Spider Enclosure. Finally, we have the ZNWKONG Jumping Spider Enclosure, priced at $13.99. Now, this isn't your typical terrarium, but it's a cool alternative for those interested in keeping small creatures. If you want a unique habitat for your pets, this is worth checking out. It ensures a safe and comfortable environment while allowing you to observe your pet up close. The crystal-clear acrylic design offers a stunning view of your little friend. With a 4.6-star rating from over 330 reviews, it's clear that this is a hit among pet owners. Here's why this matters for you. If you're someone who loves observing nature up close, this enclosure turns feeding time into a captivating experience. However, some reviewers pointed out that it can feel a bit small for larger spiders. I'll be honest, if you have a bigger species, this might not be the best fit, but for smaller creatures, it's perfect. This is perfect for you if you're interested in keeping jumping spiders or small reptiles. Skip this if you're looking to house larger pets. For the price, it's a unique offering in the terrarium market. To wrap things up, we've covered 5 fantastic budget terrariums. The Cute Farms kit is perfect for hands-on creators, while the YIMORENCE offers a stylish display. The PYEF-CRAFTS kit is great for budget-conscious beginners, and the Terra Green Creations kit provides premium materials. Last but not least, the ZNWKONG enclosure is a unique choice for pet enthusiasts. Whatever your needs, there's something here for everyone.